South Beach in Miami. We're here till Sunday. So we're going to show you around a little bit. So right now, breakfast at the beach.
Belgian waffles.
Look yummy. Very yummy. Hey, welcome to our room at the W. So first, let's start with a little tour. This is the bathroom. It's got double sinks. It's really big. And here's the toilet is in there. And on this side, they give us a robe. And on this side, we have a huge shower. And then over here we have the bar. There's a fridge with drinks in it, a sink, a coffee maker, cups, microwave. And we have 3 big closets here. 1 closet, 2 closets, and 3 closets. Now off to the bed. We have this chandelier thing first, over here. It's like a wind chime. And then we have the TV. We have 2 TVs, one over there. And we have this big king size bed. It's huge. And then we have the couch that turns into a bed. But this is a bed. This is good enough. And then here's the other TV. And then we're on the 10th floor. So, and we got the ocean view balcony. So this is our view. Up all the way up on the 10th floor. You can see the pool is down here. There's our chairs are right there actually. But there's the bar, there's a restaurant down there. And then this is the Miami Beach. There's just another hotel. But yeah, this was a tour of our room at the W, 1025. All right, we'll see you guys later. There's a wedding happening down there right now. You probably can't see it, but it's down there. There's probably about, what, 50 people? 40, 45, 50 people down there. And then they set up the reception area down there. This is where the wedding was last night. And what was here this morning?
Yoga was here this morning.
Yoga. What? You hate this game? 1, 2, 3, 4. Haha. You lost 2-0. Alright, this is Swish and Swing. The basketball courts and the tennis court. So they have a full-size basketball court. I don't know, you have to call the front desk for the basketball. They don't just have them laying out here. But they'll give it to you for free, and you can play as long as you want. And then they have the tennis courts over here, and there's Julia playing tennis. But we've played tennis twice now during our stay. Well, she didn't get that over the net, but I've won both times. Not to brag, but I've won both times. Here's the gym, or fit as they call it, and cold towels. Got your dumbbells, free weights, a few machines, free apples. I think they have headphones in here, moist towels and towels. And then here's Julia doing the elliptical in a dress. But then they have all these machines. There's a TV. Julia's still doing the elliptical. Then here's your view, street. But yeah, this is a pretty nice fitness center or gym. But yeah, here's the fitness center. Every time of day they change these mats for good morning, good afternoon, and now it says good evening. It's a nice little thing in the elevator. So the W also has this thing, it's called Whenever Whatever. You just call or text them and they come whenever for whatever. And Julia has some more information on this.
Okay, so if you ever stay here, just throw all of your towels on the floor and then call them and ask them for more towels, and these two really attractive guys will come and bring you more towels. So I suggest you do it. They also come for other things, but if you just want them to come, just throw your towels on the floor.
Well, that's it for our time in Miami and our stay at the W. We hope you enjoyed our video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.